Imagine running your entire online business, billing, clients, support, automation, e-commerce, all from one single dashboard. No multiple tools, no complicated setups, no daily chaos. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm revealing a powerful platform called Upmind that can automate almost everything for your business. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Troubleshooters, your go-to channel for solving tech problems and discovering the smartest tools to grow your online business. If you love tech shortcuts and automation hacks, make sure you subscribe. 1. What exactly is Upmind? Upmind is an all-in-one business automation platform designed to handle everything your service-based business needs, from managing clients to sending invoices, collecting payments, running subscription plans, and even automating service delivery. Think of it as the brain of your entire business. Instead of using separate tools for billing, CRM, support, e-commerce, and automation, Upmind replaces them all with one simple system. 2. Who is Upmind for? Upmind is perfect for anyone running a service-based or subscription-based business. Whether you're into web hosting, SaaS, digital services, freelancing, managed IT services, online subscriptions, Upmind gives you the tools to run everything smoothly without manual effort. 3 features that make Upmind a powerhouse. With Upmind, all your customers, services, billing history, communication, and support tickets stay organized in one place. No spreadsheets. No chaos. You can instantly see what service each client uses, when invoices are due, and what actions need attention. Automated billing and payments, this is the real game changer. Upmind handles recurring subscriptions, one-time billing, automatic renewals, late payment reminders, global tax rules, international currencies, multiple payment gateways. Which means no more chasing clients manually. The system does it for you. Built-in e-commerce store, Upmind includes a professional online store where customers can buy your services, upgrade, downgrade, apply coupons, or manage renewals. The store is fully customizable, branded with your domain, and works like your own business storefront. Fully automated provisioning, here's where Upmind becomes next level. When a client pays, Upmind can instantly activate the service without you touching anything. Hosting accounts, API services, digital products, everything can be auto-delivered. It even handles suspension or renewal automatically. This means your business can run 24/7 on autopilot. Inbuilt support desk, you don't need Zendesk or Freshdesk. Upmind gives you its own support ticket system connected directly to each client's services. So your team sees everything instantly. No confusion. No searching. Instant answers. Branding and custom client portal, everything, store, portal, emails, is fully branded with your logo, colors, and domain. Clients will think you built your own custom software. API power plus 1500 plus endpoints, for developers, Upmind is a dream. It's API first, meaning you can build custom apps, automate workflows, connect your own systems, use webhooks, create headless frontends. Basically, the possibilities are endless. 4. Why businesses are switching to Upmind. People are moving to Upmind because it reduces cost and increases efficiency. Instead of paying for billing software, CRM, support system, automation tools, hosting provisioning tools, e-commerce platform, you get everything inside one dashboard. This saves money, reduces mistakes, and makes your business scalable. 5. Should you use Upmind? If you sell online services or digital products, especially recurring ones, Upmind can save you hours every single week and automate almost 70 to 80% of your workload. If you want to look professional, automate your workflow, and grow faster, Upmind is definitely worth exploring. So that's everything you need to know about Upmind, the automation engine that can truly transform your online business. If you want a platform that handles billing, clients, provisioning, automation, and support, this is it. Thank you for watching Tech Troubleshooters. If this video helped you, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And for more tech tools, automation hacks, and business boosting tutorials, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.